Okay, so this is the song that I've been brainstorming. I like the words, but I can't think of the melody. Sometimes just the words and the melody, they just don't even come at the same time. And if I can actually get the right pitches that I come up with in my head right to come out of my mouth, even great. Even more perfect. I'm a happy girl. I'm happy. But no, it just doesn't work that way. So, gotta work on it. Ouch. This is it. Give me love. Okay. It's called I Don't Love That Way. I'm thinking of it in my head because I was doing stuff to try to remember it, but it didn't work. It works. It works. Now you want me to rub your back, and then you start to act like less than a man I know. And here we go. Here we go. Okay. First you give me love, like passing the blunt, and then you take it away. But I don't love that way. Now you want me to rub your back, and then you start to act like less than the man I know. And here we go. Here we go. So sorry, but I don't love that way. I said I don't love that way. I don't love that way. I won't love that way. I'm sweet, I'm soft and demure. My love is unconditional. My heart is pure. My love is an energy that comes from within. It's everything you know, all of that, and baby times 10. You cannot diminish it. It will always exist. Now you're on your own to stay. But your love is painful, and I just don't love that way. Okay, there, see? Okay. Something from the way it was came back right there, and it threw me off. So that means everything prior to that was not the way that I liked it before. But I'm not saying that I didn't like it that time. So I don't know, but I'm happy that I actually recorded it. So now I will know. Yay!